Breaking news tonight, we're exposing the top 5 landlord mistakes that could be costing you thousands of dollars in rent and damages. From unfair eviction notices to ignoring critical repairs, we're revealing the shocking truth about landlord-tenant disputes. According to a recent survey, over 70% of tenants have experienced some form of landlord harm or neglect. The National Apartment Association reports that the average renter spends around $1,500 per month on rent alone. With the rise of real estate investment and finance, it's more important than ever to know your rights as a tenant. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and updates on real estate, finance, and investment. If you're a tenant or a landlord, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exclusive content. Our goal is to provide you with the best advice and information to help you navigate the complex world of real estate and finance, including topics like mortgage, credit, and insurance. The history of tenant rights dates back to the 1960s, when the Fair Housing Act was first introduced. Since then, there have been numerous changes and updates to the law, aiming to protect tenants from discriminatory practices and unfair treatment. However, despite these efforts, many tenants still face significant challenges when dealing with landlords. According to a report by the National Association of Realtors, the median sales price of existing single-family homes has increased by over 50% in the past decade, making it harder for people to afford housing. Now, let's dive into the top 5 landlord mistakes that could be costing you money. Number 1, failing to provide a written lease agreement. This can lead to confusion and disputes over rent, repairs, and other essential terms. Number 2, ignoring tenant requests for repairs and maintenance. This can result in costly damages and even health hazards. But that's not all. We'll also explore how to use technology, such as Google's smart home devices or Amazon's Alexa, to make your renting experience more efficient and cost-effective. Number 3, charging excessive fees and deposits. This can be a significant financial burden for tenants, especially when combined with other moving costs. Number 4, entering the rental property without proper notice. This can be a violation of the tenant's right to privacy and may even be considered harmful. Number 5, failing to return security deposits on time. This can result in costly penalties and damage to the tenant's credit score, which can impact their ability to get a mortgage or other loans in the future. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss. It's the critical importance of documenting everything. From the initial walkthrough to the final move-out inspection, keeping a record of all correspondence and interactions with your landlord can be the key to resolving disputes and avoiding costly mistakes. This is especially important when it comes to investing in real estate, as a single mistake can cost you thousands of dollars. For example, a recent study found that investors who used a real estate agent to manage their properties saw a 25% increase in rental income. But how do you know if you're getting a fair deal? The answer lies in comparing your rental agreement to the standard practices in your area. For example, if you're paying $2,000 per month for a one-bedroom apartment, but similar units in the same neighborhood are renting for $1,800, you may be overpaying. You can use online resources like Zillow or Redfin to research the local market and determine a fair price for your rent. Additionally, you can consider investing in a real estate investment trust, REIT, or a crowdfunding platform to diversify your portfolio and earn passive income. In addition to understanding the local market, it's also essential to know your rights as a tenant. This includes the right to a safe and habitable living environment, the right to privacy, and the right to dispute any unfair charges or fees. By knowing your rights and being prepared, you can avoid costly mistakes and ensure a positive rental experience. For instance, you can use Apple's HomeKit or Google's Nest to monitor and control your home's temperature, lighting, and security systems, making it easier to manage your rental property. So, what does this mean for you as a tenant? It means being aware of your rights and taking steps to protect yourself from unfair landlord practices. It means documenting everything, researching the local market, and being prepared to dispute any unfair charges or fees. By taking these steps, you can ensure a positive rental experience and avoid costly mistakes. According to a recent survey, tenants who are aware of their rights and take action to protect themselves are more likely to have a positive rental experience and save money in the long run. As we look to the future, it's clear that the rental market will continue to evolve and change. With the rise of technology and innovation, tenants will have more tools and resources than ever before to navigate the rental landscape. However, it's also important to remember that tenant rights are not just a local issue, but a national and even global concern. By staying informed and taking action, tenants can ensure a brighter future for themselves and their communities, and make informed decisions about their investments, including real estate and crypto. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let us know. Join us next time for more exclusive content and expert advice on real estate, finance, and investment. And if you're interested in learning more about how to invest in real estate, be sure to check out our upcoming video on the best real estate investment strategies, including how to use AI and machine learning to analyze the market and make informed decisions.